Hi, my name is Nie Mundi, and I'm the owner of Ba and Me. Ba and Me is Vietnamese, and Ba means grandmother, and Me means mother. The recipes are originally from my mother, but since then it's sort of morphed into a more modern take of Vietnamese food. I'm a Vietnamese refugee, but I've been here for over 40 years, so my palate is more Americanized. A lot of the dishes here are influenced by both my past and my present. If you go to Vietnam, you'll realize that every family has one secret recipe. So our specialty was lemongrass pork. That was what my mom made really well. And so when we made that in our original location in Callicoon, it did so well, and hence, since then we've expanded to Honesdale and other places as well. For me, when you look at the bowls, it's very colorful. So there's a lot of crunch, there's a lot of depth, there's a lot of smoothness. So all those things are taken into account in terms of how we prepare the dishes. That's what makes food good. Half of it is just presentation. You have to admire what you're eating. You know, we just wanted you to come in and feel comfortable. We didn't want you to feel overwhelmed. We didn't want it to feel pretentious. We wanted the food to speak for itself. And so when you come in here, what I hope is that you just feel at home.